Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how easily you can pair your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4 with your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all, just remember to put both earbuds in the case and remove this foil. It will be attached right here on the both earbuds. Next, you have to use this button. It's located on the back of your charging case. We have to click and hold this button until this indicator on the front starts blinking quickly, just like that. Right now, release that button, keep that case open, put it close to your phone, and then go to the settings, go for the Bluetooth settings, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and take a look for available devices. In my case, they appear right here, so I'm gonna select them, accept pairing request. As you can see, right now we are connected, and there's also second option. We can open and download application to get more features of this device. So open the Play Store on your phone, the Xiaomi earbuds, accept everything right here, select the country. That's some kind of the firmware update, but let's skip this one. And as you can see right now, we are connected. So if you previously connect your earbuds by using the standard Bluetooth settings and you download the application after that, you will be already connected. So that's how it looks for the Redmi Buds 4. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.